Hi friends, hi student, I am Asit Tiwari. Today in the 11th Geography, the book India, Physical Environment, and our second lesson which is going on, Structure and Physiography. In this lesson, the topic which is going on, which is continue, that is the northern mountains, the Himalayas. And our second lesson, last topic has been going on in this main topic. So let's we finish this topic. In the first we will see the Arunachal Himalaya, then we will see the eastern and the hills and the mountains. So student, let's we see. In the first you will see the Arunachal Himalaya, that is extend from the Bhutan Himalaya and the Dipu Pass. These are the two places where the Himalayas, means Arunachal Himalayas, has been extended, and it has been latitudinal extent from southwest, means in such a way they are running in such a way southwest direction, they are just expanding and they are moving toward the northeast direction. So this is the, we will say, way of these mountain ranges, means they are turning from southwest and moving towards the northeast direction. So that is very important things. And the main river of this region is the Brahmaputra river, that is moving across the Namcha Barwa, that is the highest mountain peak in this region. So that river which turn around the Namcha Barwa, then turn towards India and enter in the country. And in such way this main river also joined with the different type of the tributaries, such as the so many tributaries which become the tributaries of this river. So these are the rivers Kameng, Subansiri, Dihang, Dibang, Lohit. These are the main rivers. You can see these rivers are there. These rivers are there. So student, that is very important point. Second thing, the ethnic community which is living there, that is the Monpa, Abor, Mishmi, Niesi and Nagas. These are the kind of ethnic communities, means tribal groups which are living there, but they practice only the Jhuming cultivation. Jhuming cultivation, that is very easily known, the slash and burn agriculture. And you study also in the 10th class agriculture, where the Jhuming cultivation has been given very detailed. And in the next lesson, in the 11th class, you will see also very clearly. So these tribal groups, they are mostly dependent over this type of the agriculture way or the types of agriculture, because they are living this kind of the lifestyle from the centuries. So they do not bring any kind of the changes in their lives. And very important things, the features of this region, the deep gorges you will see there, means deep valleys you can see in this region. And very important things in this river, the different types of the hydroelectricity project has been running, especially in the Brahmaputra river, the Lohit river, the Dibang river. And these electric hydroelectricity project which are running to supply the electricity, as well as different type of the occupation which are related with the rivers, the river valley project which also giving the kind of employment to these regions people. Slash and burn agriculture is the main types of the agriculture. You can say the it is the identity of these regions, the type of agriculture. Rugged topography which is hindering the interconnectedness among the people who are moving across one region to another region, especially the people who are living in the Arunachal Pradesh and the people of Assam. They are very hardly to reach in their regions, means the, you will say, movement of the regions, movement of the people are very very typical. And only the duer, the way, I have told you the duar are the kind of way, means river valley plants, river valley which are very, you will say, important for the interaction of the people from one region to another region. So this is very important things. And this Arunachal Himalaya, this extent I have told you already from the Bhutan Himalaya and the Dipu passes. There are so many passes you can see there in this region also. Now we will turn to the next topic, the eastern hills and the mountains. That is very important topic also, and we are just discussing the Himalaya from these regions. Means this region was a latitudinal extent. Now we will see the longitudinal extent of the Himalaya, which turned from the you will say northeast direction to the south direction. So that is very important topic, and the extent of this Himalaya from the Patkai Bum and to the Luzai hills, that is very important, you will say, area. And so many kind of the other hills you can see there, the Patkai Bums, the Naga hills, the Manipur hills, the Mizo hills, the Luzai hills. And in this region different type of the river also running, and they are becoming the tributary of the different river, such as Chindwin river, Barak river, and Loktak lake also, the very important lake of this region. And this Loktak lake, where the project hydropower electricity project also running there. So it is under the questions because so many other kind of the species of the animal also under the trouble. And Mizoram, the molasses basins you can find in this region. Most of the rivers of the Nagaland form the tributaries of the Brahmaputra. That is very important things, because Nagaland, where the different type of the rivers which are running there, such as the Barak river, Chindwin rivers, they are becoming the very important part. And the rivers which is running from the Mizoram and the Manipur are the tributaries of the Barak river. Barak river is there, and you can see well. And the Barak river that turned in the tributaries of Meghna river, you can find the Meghna river there. So that river which is the tributaries of the Barak river, that is joined with the Meghna river, that is also the part of you will say Ganga river. So you can find the these are the you will say turning point. These are the joint place for the rivers which are coming from the India, and the river which is coming from the northeast direction, Brahmaputra, and also the river which is running in the flowing in the Bangladesh, it is a Meghna river. So Meghna river is a, will say, name of this region's river. So student, this is very important topic. As we have seen, the topic the mountains of the Himalayas has been completely over, and if any kind of the doubt you can ask it, and if any kind of the will say queries you can put up, and you should listen this topic. Before listening to this topic, you should read the lesson from the book. That will help you to understand well the topic. Thank you to student listening me and watching me.